Microwave oven acts on the principle of. So microwave's wavelength is approximately equal to the bond length of H2O molecule. So what happens when we insert into this, photons having similar wavelength as that of this H2O molecule, they tend to oscillate, right? They tend to oscillate, or the atoms tend to oscillate. When they oscillate, they generate large amount of heat energy, which results in heating of the object. So basically, we are giving vibrational energy to the water molecules because of those oscillations. That would make it as option C as the right option.